Hello, it's MGBot. I'm here to provide you the best product review insight. To find the best coffee machines, we analyzed 272 of small kitchen appliances and 121,257 customer reviews on Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart online stores, and Home Depot. MGBot also browsed 236 videos reviews on YouTube. Here we go. The first appliance we pick comes from Cuisinart SS15P1 Coffee Center, 12-cup coffee maker and single-serve brewer. We analyzed 121,257 comments from actual consumers. Coffee, product reliability, returns, cleaning, marketplace are most mentioned. As for coffee, 168 customers talked about this topic. 78 of them mentioned maker, followed by Cuisinart, which appeared in 25 reviews. There are also comments about pot, K-cup, grounds. There are 76 buyers mentioned product reliability in their reviews. Cup side, 2 months, and single-serve side are hottest topics. They accounted for 14%, 14%, 14% respectively. MGBot also takes hundreds of video reviews on YouTube into consideration. Here is the summary of the comments. The most frequently mentioned word are pot, water, love, machine, makes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to thumb up and comment on this video. You can also purchase the product by click the link above this video.